I'm in Berkeley today checking out a couple flips that are side by side. They're nearly identical. Each one is 850 square foot, priced at $600,000. They are 2-bedroom with 1.5 bath. So let's check them out. Bit of a unique setup here with one house directly in front of the second house. So the one house actually has a backyard and the other strictly has a front yard. So let's head on in. Just a quick note, I made a mistake in saying these homes are in Berkeley. I should have paid more attention to where I was. They are actually a few blocks south of Berkeley in the Highlands neighborhood, but just minutes away from the heart of Berkeley. So right now I am inside 3344 West 33rd Avenue in the Berkeley neighborhood of Denver. And this is one of the two flips. They feature an AstroTurf yard in addition to a brick exterior, so it's nice, low maintenance. Inside, it's been completely remodeled. Looks like we still have the original hardwoods here. The kitchen has new cabinets, new appliances. There's some granite countertops, all new lighting throughout. Now, each of these is 850 square feet, and each one is 2-bedroom, 1.5 baths. But they're completely different layouts. Both of them are priced at $599,900. Pretty good deal if you're looking to live in the Berkeley neighborhood. There's not a lot of options near this price. So there you have it. This was 3346 West 33rd Avenue. Again, that's in the Berkeley neighborhood of Denver. You know, a little bit different than the other one. This one has light cabinets or white cabinets instead of dark cabinets, different colored countertops. Both layouts are quite a bit different, although they're the same square footage, both of them with 2 bedrooms and 1.5 baths. You know, 2 good options if you're looking to live in this neighborhood, depending upon your needs. Both of them pretty low maintenance. I also saw some AC condensers on the outside of the homes, so they have had those added. So great feature for these warmer summers. So if you're looking to buy in Berkeley or any other neighborhood in Denver, reach out. You can contact me through my website, www.navigatingdenver.com. You can email me, dc@navcolorado.com.